My name is Coach Yordando. I am a coach in Legacy in Fort Lauderdale, and how I found out about Advanced Dentist Wellness Center in Fort Lauderdale was that they set up a table in our location, and I actually won the Oral B, so it's pretty awesome.
What was your overall experience at the practice at Advanced Dental Wellness Center in Fort Lauderdale?
Excellent, excellent. 5 stars, very gentle. Natalie was very smooth, and she actually informed me and educated me a little bit more on my gums and what I can do to prevent gum disease.
Tell me what brought you here to the practice.
I needed a cleaning. It's been about 8 months since I had a cleaning, and I love weird stuff. I love to feel the ridges in my teeth. So I look forward to that after the cleaning, just to get all that plaque out and all that stuff.
Can you tell the people about what it is like here with the team, the care and the general culture, like when you walked in the door?
See a smile? Amazing. It was so energetic and so welcoming. It felt really good to walk into the space and feel the culture that the doctor has built here with his team. Everybody was very informative, very nice, very well educated in their field of practice.
How did we do to make things comfortable and as pain-free as possible?
So Natalie, what she did was ask me questions. You know, if I'm going a little bit too hard, let me know. I'll back off. If you need a little bit of numbing cream, we'll put numbing cream. But none of that was needed, thank God, because she was a professional. She was very gentle with my teeth, very comfortable. She played music. She played bachata. She put a pillow behind my head, and it was quite the experience. It was very comfortable. I almost fell asleep. So they give you sunglasses too, and I almost fell asleep, but it's kind of weird to fall asleep in a dental cleaning. So
a lot of patients say that they have had bad experiences with dentistry, and this is one of the reasons people don't routinely go to the dentist. How did we do?
You guys did great. I think that's just fear-based. I came in here with the same ideology of, oh my gosh, I can't stand the dentist, because who likes a dentist? I mean, we love you guys, but we don't love you guys. So that's all fear-based. That's all what you're putting up here. Just show up. I promise you'll be comfortable. I promise your cleaning will be just smooth. It'll be a smooth ride.
What would you say to someone who's putting off getting a treatment?
Do it. Do it, man. Just imagine this. The first thing that enters into your body is through your mouth. So if you're biting something and you're not coming in for a regular cleaning, that food gets lodged up in your gums, and that's when diseases start. And that's when it starts to spread to the body, because it's the first contact of your body, right? So get a cleaning regularly. Don't be scared. Don't be feared. There's nothing to worry about, honestly.
What would you say to someone about coming here to Advanced Dental Wellness Center?
Come. If you want to feel the experience, and if you want to feel the friendliness of the culture and professionals taking care of your teeth, I'll show up. So what would I say to someone that is coming into Advanced Wellness Center in Fort Lauderdale is show up. Again, a lot of those prepositions of fear is just that. Show up, let them take care of you. It's handled with professionalism. The energy in here is great. The culture is amazing, and they offer you banana bread and coffee. Can't say no to that.